Good morning to everyone. Today we'll have first lesson as algebraic expressions and I will solve, but I will wait some more minutes to be at exactly 9 o'clock. I will solve the questions here. Any question that you couldn't understand, you can write. I will wait for you at the end to write or to take some notes. If there is any problem that you cannot hear or you can likely, or if I am very fast, you can write me, okay? Now, clock, let's start. The first question is find x, y, and z. And the equation is given in this way. Ay plus bx over xy is equal to bz plus cy over yz. And this one is equal to cx plus az over zx. And this one is equal to 4a squared plus 4b squared plus y squared plus z squared. Let's start from the first part. If I will write ay plus bx over xy separately, I will get ay over xy bx over xy. So simplifications, and then we'll get a over x plus b over, we'll do for bz plus c over yz. Then we'll get b over y plus c over z. And the same thing I have here, cx plus az over zx. So here we'll have c over z plus a over. Now from here we are finding that is equal to b over y plus z, and this one is equal to c over z plus a over. From this part that we found, I will write one more time. From a over x plus b equal to b over y plus c over z is equal to c over z plus a over x. From this one we can find that x is equal to b over y, and that we found here with the, find that, for example, if I will write a over z with the cross product here, I will find that x is equal to az over c, and with the same logic I will find that y is equal to bz over c. I will use this x and y that we found here in terms of c, a, and z. I will use in the equation. Firstly, I will write here a over x plus b over y. Instead of x and y, I will write these two expressions, and I will get a over az over c plus B over BZ over C. If we'll do inners, AC over AZ plus BC over BZ. And then I will equalize. We found X and Y. Again, here in this equation, 4A squared plus 4B squared plus 4C squared over X was a. Let me do. You cannot hear me now? It stopped. Can you hear me now? Or it stopped for everyone? It is okay now? I'm continuing. I think that it's okay now. Everyone is here. AZ of C squared plus BZ over C squared plus Z squared. Now here when we'll continue to do the operations, we'll get 4A squared plus 4B squared plus 4C squared over A squared Z squared over C squared plus B squared Z squared over C squared plus Z squared. I will multiply this one by C squared, and then we will get 4A squared plus 4B squared plus 4C squared. Here A squared C squared over C squared will have. I will get C squared times 4A squared plus 4B squared plus 4C squared over A squared Z squared plus B squared Z squared plus C squared Z squared. It will be 4C squared times A squared plus B squared plus over here Z squared is the common term, and it will be Z squared times A squared plus B squared plus C squared. So as you see, I have the same term. I will cancel these two. So we're finding X plus B over Y is equal to 4C squared over Z squared. Let's name this one the second equation. Then from first one, from 1 and 2, we are finding that 2C over 4C squared over Z squared. This one is 2C over Z squared. So here we are finding that the square of the number is equal to itself. So here 2C over Z is equal to 1. And with the cross product, we are finding that Z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2C. We have found here that X is equal to A Z over C. Instead of Z, I will write A 2C over C. So X will be 2A and Y will be BZ over C. So B times 2C over C. So it is, we have found X, Y, 2A, 2B, and 2C. So if you have any question, you can write. This clear, or can you understand my hand? If there is any problem, you can write me. Part. If you're taking notes, I can't. And this is the second part. If it is okay, please, can you write me that it's okay? I can continue. You cannot see the paper clearly, Mr. Rajai? Like this, it's better. So if it is okay, I will continue with the second 4. Here I have 6. So I can write this one in this way. X squared plus 5 minus 1. And this one, x squared plus x plus 5 plus 1. 2014. So as you see, I have here the same quadratic expression. Minus 1 identity, the identity a minus b times a plus x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared minus 1 squared from the identity plus 2014. A is equal to this one. So we have a is equal to x squared 5 x squared plus 5x plus 5 squared plus 2013. So in the question, we are looking for the minimum value of a. We are finding a in this way. So the minimum value that x squared plus 5x plus 5 can take is, so if this one is 0, minimum value of a will be 2013 of a. If you have any question, I can wait for you. It is okay. If you don't have any question, I can continue with the third. Here is the question. If a over b plus c plus b over c plus a plus c over a plus b is equal to 1, then a squared over b plus c plus b squared over c plus a plus c squared over a plus b is equal to 0. Proof. We need to prove that this part is equal to 0. Now I will start. I will some terms. Instead of, if we'll write instead of a plus b x, b plus c y z, and the same a plus b plus c is equal to s. It will say that a plus b plus c is equal to s. So here, if I will add these three equations, plus y plus z. So as you see, I can write that x plus y plus z is equal to 2s. Now we have a plus b plus and ab x, a plus b x, b plus c y, c plus a z. Now in the first equation, I don't know what is the problem. If you want, I can stop the video now and to start. If there is any problem, I think there is problem with someone. So wait.